All right, guys. Up for grabs is probably the most mint Music Man HD130. It's definitely the most mint one I've ever seen. It might be the most mint one ever. It is 1976. It is flawless. I have gone through it completely, replacing all of the electrolytic capacitors with F&T caps. Here's the back of the unit. Has the original foot switch. Probably the most damage on this unit is just a little bit of there's wear on these buckles right here. All corners are super solid, flawless. Okay. Well, there really just isn't a blemish on this amp. It runs incredibly clean, incredibly quiet. It is the original, I don't know if you can see this. I'm not going to take this back panel off. There's pictures of it you can see, but this is the 12AX7 version. This does have original British Amperex C or 6 CA7s. The owner I got this from claimed probably 30 hours of runtime. I maybe turned it on for 4 hours myself. So this thing is basically straight out of the factory new. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up so you can get a bit of a sound profile. I will sell the cabinet if you're interested. I don't have it listed with the head because shipping will be a bitch. But if you want to be that person and be that psycho that does that, it would be amazing because this is an amazing unit and they sound brilliant together. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you guys. All right, y'all, let's check some tones out. Now I got the master volume on this up to 10, and I've got the gain on about 1.5. I've got the tone stack set to neutral, so everything is at 6. And I've got just a little bit of reverb. It's got a really great lush reverb. I just think it's fantastic. These things got clean tone for days. I like to kind of compare these to sort of the American voiced high watt. They will not break or distort until your skin falls off. They are so freaking loud. But also, I think they make great amps for home. They have a really good master volume. So just keep that in mind. A lot of people just say they're too loud. But I mean, I've got a dB meter up here, just so you can see. You know, if I just want to... You know, if you're averaging 85, 90 dB, you can practice and not annoy people with that. If you'd like to communicate with God in pure volume, you can do that too. I'm just going to strum a chord or two so you can see. Watch the dB meter. Master volume 10, gain at 4. Okay, watch this dB meter. Let me make sure it's zoomed in. That was really loud. You know, a rise in almost 30 dB just there. So if you want to get as loud as fuck, you certainly can. This version is the 12AX7 version, meaning it does have a tube phase inverter. That does make a difference, and mainly the distortion tone. You do get a bit more of a natural sort of breakup with these, and let me demonstrate that. I've got this. I'm going to crank this about 7. And let me turn this bass down a little bit. And we'll turn the mids down a little bit. That that sounds great. It'll rock and roll all day long. What else did I want to talk about? Yeah, you can jumper the channels as well. If you want to get kind of like a more burly, thick tone, you can take the input of channel 1 and put it into the input of channel 1 of the other channel, and merge your EQ stacks in parallel. People love doing that with these amps. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. These will take pedals really, really well. They've got tone and personality for days. And again, this is probably the nicest one that exists right now. So have at it, guys. Cheers.